Good morning, everyone. Let's have a look at the really cool way how you can catch up with your invoices. So I have these old invoices here, and I did already my catch up till May. Now let's see if we drop 3 invoices into Bookkeeper. I'll drop them just in the transaction list. There's one file, not file, 3 files. Now the Bookkeeper agent looks at these files and does its interpretation and completes the transactions for you. So let's see, it's office rent. So here you can see the 3 transactions. They come with the PDF, okay? And you get some properties about the taxes. The later invoices have the tax amount included, okay? So this is when you do a catch-up. And how can you work when you, for example, an email with an invoice attached? You simply will forward it to your book, okay? So Bookkeeper Agent, there I have my, let me remove my name here. And I'll send the attachment to the book. This takes a little bit longer, okay, because the email has to be sent, invoice from pusher, and just like before, this one I can post, and just like before, the invoice is already there on your transaction, okay? So if you like this feature of catching up with your invoices, leave a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, subscribe to the channel. And for now, thank you for watching and happy bookkeeping.